how to use a Keyline Falcon machine to cut Ford and Jaguar Tibbe keys. Okay, this is how they look. This is a Ford key blank because the tip is going to be super fat. Okay, so just overview of the machine. This is the Ford and Jaguar system spaces, okay? So FA, FB, and so on. FF, the cutter, is closest to the tip. All right. JA is for Jaguar. This is their true system for Jaguar. This is the 8 spaces, okay? Same thing. JH is going to be your tip. Now, a couple of features here. This chuck goes in and out. So as you can see, J1 is for Jaguar, and you will be using the J spaces. This is on the 8 cut system with 3 angles. 1 is barely cut, 2 is a little bit cut, and 3 is the deepest. All right? And then you just keep rotating. You have to cut 4 sides of the key. Pushing in is going to be the Ford system and the late model Jaguar Tibbe. This is 4 angles since you have 4. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? This knob is to tighten the chuck. You can see that moving. I'm tightening the chuck as I'm rotating clockwise. You do not want to go unscrewing this all the way because this will jam. It's very easy to reset, but keep in mind, don't want to open it just enough. This little nub centers the key so it doesn't go left and right, up and down. Okay, so we're going to insert a key really quick. This is the Falcon machine, Ford Jaguar, 4 angles, 6 spaces, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This side is the tip, this side is the head. As you can see, 1 is FA, 2 is FB, and so on. These are the angles we're going to cut, and I'm going to show you how to do that. First, you want to open up this jaw a little bit, insert the key blank. Okay, I'm doing this one-handed, so bear with me. You can tighten this a little bit. Okay, now you want to insert the key tip into the jaw, and you want to go all the way. So you can see, I call them this little butterfly. It's almost flush. Okay, then you will take this nub and turn it, and we're going to tighten this. As you can see it's loosening up. Very important. You don't have to go super crazy, just snug. Okay, you're going to select what system you're going to cut and start with 1. All right, once you dial the right space, you're going to push this nub in, and it's going to start cutting automatically. So I usually start cutting with the deepest, so we can see this is D and E. We're going to turn the machine on. We're going to put our space FD, and we want to select angle 4. We're going to go 4. Twice. We're going to change our space to number 5 or E, and we're going to cut this. Okay, now we're going to go to 3. Select angle 3, and we need to cut in position 1 and 3. So we're going to go FA, that's 1. FB is 2, FC is 3. Okay? Then we need to cut position 6, space number, angle number 2. So we're going to select angle number 2. And keep in mind, this is going to be what? F, right? Position 6. We're using this scale closest. And we're going to cut. Okay? And the other one left is position 2 with angle number 1. We're going to go to 1, and that's position 2. That's FB. See that? Okay. Now we rotate this, and we're going to do the same thing. I'm going to quickly do this. So 4 and 5. Space 3. That's going to be FA. Then we're going to hit angle 2. Angle 2 is. Then we're going to hit angle 1. That's FB. And it barely cuts that one. Sorry for that distraction. Now we're going to go cut the next angle, F2. Okay, that's going to be position 6. 3. Angle 3 is going to be FA. Let's see. We're going to hit angle 4. Angle 4 is D. And FE. Okay, so that's done. We're going to rotate some more. We're going to hit F4 again. We're just going clockwise and keep on doing this until all the sides of the key is cut. So DF, FD, FE. We're going to hit angle 3. Angle 3 is FA. And FC. We're going to hit angle 2. That's going to be FF. Okay, and then we're going to hit angle 1. That's going to be FB. Okay, we're going to hit this one more time. Right there. I think we got all the cuts, all the sides cut. We're going to loosen this nub just a little bit. Loosen this almost all the way. And now we can slide this key out. And there you go. Okay, so the deepest cuts are right there, the double. That almost hits that butterfly, those wings. Okay. So decoding this, we got 3, 1. See, there's like no cut on the 1. And you actually don't even need to cut a 1. You can skip cutting a 1. And then you got 3, 4, 4, 2. They all have to be mirror images of each one. That's pretty simple. All right. You would do the same process, but write out 1 through 8. And instead of doing 4 angles, you're going to be doing 3 angles. Once again, this is how to cut a key on the Keyline Falcon machine.